In this video, you can see the garage slowly starting to take shape. The assembly of the garage took about 3 days in total. During the first half day, the team focused on unloading all the materials. Later that afternoon, they started assembling the garage skeleton on top of the foundation. The work was scheduled during a period with a good weather forecast, so there was no rain expected for a few days. By the end of the first day, they had already managed to assemble most of the frame, and part of the roof was installed. From this higher ground, you can clearly see the space behind the walls. At this stage, the soil behind the foundation had not yet been filled in, so it was important to be careful when walking around the area. You may also notice that the garage is placed at a slight angle compared to the surrounding wall. This was done intentionally to meet the local building regulations, while still leaving enough space to walk around the structure. From here, you can also see the beautiful view from this piece of land. At this point, many parts of the garage, like the walls and the remaining roof section, still needed to be installed. I wasn't able to film everything, so here you can see the result once the walls and the rest of the roof were installed. Most of that work was completed during the second day. After that, the team continued with some interior fixations and installed the shutters. Once the garage assembly was finished, I also started thinking about the layout inside the garage. I began measuring the space and planning where the 4-post lift would be installed. Here you can see that I placed a few stones on the ground to mark the approximate location of the lift, just to visualize how everything would fit. In the next video, we'll look at the final stages of this project, including pouring the final concrete floor, filling the land behind the foundation wall, building a rock platform, and installing the car lift.